Two of the most powerful Android phones of 2025 just landed, the Google Pixel 10 and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Both are packed with cutting-edge tech, but which one is actually worth your money? Today, we're putting them head-to-head in a real-world comparison. Let's break it down. Let's start with design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra brings back that premium titanium frame, squared edges, and of course, the iconic S Pen. It feels big, bold, and built like a tank. The Pixel 10, on the other hand, is slimmer and more ergonomic. Google ditched the old camera bar for a sleeker, rounded module, and it looks way cleaner. When it comes to displays, Samsung flexes hard with a 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED at 144Hz, reaching 3000 nits peak brightness. The Pixel 10 has a gorgeous 6.5-inch OLED at 120Hz, super crisp, but not as bright or large. Verdict: Samsung wins on raw display power, but Pixel might feel better in the hand. Next up, cameras. The S26 Ultra has a 200MP main sensor, dual zoom lenses, and an ultra-wide. You get up to 10x optical zoom and sharp results even from a mile away. It's a content creator's dream. The Pixel 10 keeps it simple with a 50MP main sensor and upgraded ultra-wide, but the real magic is in the software. Google's AI-powered photography delivers stunning results with less effort, especially in low light and skin tones. For video, Samsung gives you 8K recording, but Google's new Realtone AI and Cinematic Blur make Pixel videos look more natural and stylized. Verdict: Samsung has more flexibility, Pixel has smarter processing. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, paired with up to 16GB RAM. This thing flies: gaming, multitasking, video editing, no sweat. Pixel 10 is powered by Google's own Tensor G4 chip, which isn't quite as fast, but it's optimized for AI tasks, speech, photos, and battery efficiency. On the software side, Pixel 10 runs clean Android 15, with the best of Google baked in: Gemini AI, voice tools, and direct updates for 7 years. Samsung's One UI 8 is more feature-packed, but a bit heavier. Verdict: Galaxy wins for raw power. Pixel wins for smart, clean, AI-enhanced usability. The S26 Ultra packs a 5500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging and wireless reverse charging, perfect if you need to top up your earbuds or a friend's phone. The Pixel 10 has a 5000 mAh battery, and while it's slightly smaller, it's super efficient thanks to Google's AI optimizations. Charging is slower at 30W wired, but you'll still get through the day. Verdict: Samsung wins on battery capacity and charging speed. Pixel wins on efficiency.